Okay, hello guys. I wanted to come in here and just briefly say that, this move has continued on for the entire day and has struggled to lose any steam per se. Um, is right now going to be what starts to inch in this pullback that's necessary. I'm not really sure. Right now, we've got approximately an hour of trading in the day left, actually 2 hours. So, um, you know, what we've seen is absolutely insane. Uh, a buying bullish action, and not that the buying was so insane. It was just that what was insane about it was that there was no like. I don't know. There was no fight about it. You know what I'm saying, guys? There was no fight. Um, and there was no really fight in either direction. It was virtually limp the entire day. Um, and guess what? Uh, the stocks don't seem like they're even trying to drop. They don't even seem like they're ready, and it's uh that's what's crazy about it is even though we have this extreme pressure, extreme overbought levels in that RSI, including the CCI just bouncing off the top here. But, what we see is a breakout of a trend line from this recent high here. Guys, that's what we see. This is an hour chart. If this holds true, if we start to pull back here, if we break some support, then we could bounce uh, off this trend line. But we broke through it, guys, and that was really the big power play that I guess I kind of missed because that gap up this morning was right at that resistance, and I thought we were going to fail it, but nope, we passed through it. But when you have a swing in one direction, it's got to go the other way. When you take the stairs up, you take the elevator down. Um, Pretty crazy that just, all right, all right. For the last 3 days, we've seen tremendous swings in both directions, which is pretty remarkable. And guys, I just want to remind you, the biggest swings happen in bear markets. Um, we see precious metals getting smacked. Uh, we see silver's down, bounced but still down. We see the 10-year just off the highs, taking a breather. We see the dollar again. It on that news this morning. It took a breather on that news about the ECB and Draghi being dovish. So that kind of gave the dollar a little bit more reason to go down a little bit, cool down. But then the flames got back up on it, and we're back at those highs. And we're inching ever so closely to that point where I said that 92 level. This is one heck of a rally here. We've been having, not only in stocks but in the dollar. That's supposed to be the safe haven. Okay, so we see a potential pivot point at the moment, but we see. Look at this 30-minute. You see how we've just been dark green the entire time here. Will we get another spurt of buying? Is the question, or will it settle down for the rest of the trading day? I mean, at this rate, we're most likely going to just keep uptrending. But we did, on this is a 3-minute on the S&P. We did hit overbought levels, but at the same time, we're not as high here, um, but there's no selling. There's no selling, and there's just bullish pressure, all bullish pressure. So this is gonna take hours, if not half of tomorrow, for the stock markets to cool down. Now, again, look here. We are remaining over bought. We are remaining extremely high. What could happen is a 2-day rally, guys. If we close into the green, I mean we're on the brink of this, but we've been on the brink the entire day. So what that tells me is that you know this is going to be a bullish move up, but we haven't really made too much progress with that MACD here. We are still just roughly 1.8. All right, 2. That's getting somewhere. That's getting somewhere. So you know I do expect this to keep continuing. And we see a real sketchy stock here. DNJR Golden Bull, 57% gainer. I'm sure there's others. But that's it. I just wanted to come in here, show you the teetering of the market today. The teetering on overbought. This bullish activity is going to lead to, you know, a higher high than this right here. And then we got a 70%er. I missed it was a 40%er earlier today. Should have been on that. Which is now a 50. Whoa, what is this? Some OTC. No wonder why I didn't look at it. Alright, guys. Well, again, I expect this extreme buying action to continue. It almost looks like that even if we do get a fallback of darker greens, what's possible is that we would get a continuation of light green, and it would be one of those saw type actions. But actually, I'm gonna have to refrain from that idea, because what would happen is a double move of this. So we'd get bright, 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 bright. So approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So approximately a week's worth of gains. And again, we're looking to fail ultimately. Right? Right, guys? So we'll be above, we'll go above it, but again, it's not going to be enough for what the market needs to continue. This selling could persist, could not. It's probably not going to persist. It's probably just going to keep going, because that was the trend of today, was nonstop insane buying action. I would like to look at this 30 minute. This 30 minute, again, we're barely moving. It's just slowly going down. I would suggest that this possibly might be the area in which we turn around. For instance, look at this /NQ, the futures, and well, again, we're bouncing off the bottom support, so we're not going anywhere. unless we fall through it. If we fall through this channel, this selling may accelerate. Wow. Wow. There you go. Oopsies. Where'd it go? If we break this trend line, we're gonna have some deeper wounds. So we'll leave it at that. If not, we're going up, guys. That's as simple as that. And this, I tried to get this right. You're never gonna get it right 100% of the times. Again, I called the pivot points, but this time I got the direction wrong. I didn't have my money where my mouth was, so that would leave. I would have certainly got trapped out. But again, we are just gonna wait until we see this trend accelerate. So there's going to be this trend will accelerate, continue to go up at a modest pace. It will continue to aim for those higher highs. Although it could get higher high from this trend, what I expect is overall it will be lower than the top of the range. So for instance, it won't go above this we're not going above 2800 on the S&P. And for the Nasdaq, we're not gonna go above 7450. And by this rate, I don't know where we're gonna hold support, guys. Are we just gonna stay at this level? Crazy, right? Crazy. Again, we could see an acceleration in complete overboughtness occur into tomorrow, because we haven't even stopped on this super light green yet on an hour chart. And that's telling me for sure that the extreme buying action will continue. And you look here, so I do expect us to go ahead and breach very high levels. And I'm talking the same type of deal. Gap up in the morning, continue a super strong day with barely any weak selling. Weak selling when weak selling, but but stronger buying. So that's what we're looking for, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll put a poll in. We'll say how long do you guys think this will last? So thank you very much. Go ahead, you can answer the poll, and I will talk to you later. Please like and subscribe.